Now let's go ahead and create a text clipping mask over this. So as we see here, we've got our fire set up, our background already animated. So let's go ahead and go into our text tool here, and we're just going to create a new layer to begin with right here. And let's go ahead and type this, and we'll type in fire. There we go. Oops, let's type that in again. Let's go back over here. There we go. Now let's go to our pick tool, or our move tool, and we'll just take this up all the way. Now this is just going to be a really simple layer mask, so I'm not going to do a whole lot here. I'm just going to go ahead and select this like so. Alright, let's hit enter, hold down our command option key, click on it like so. Let's create a new layer. There we go. I'm going to hit shift command inverse, and I'm just going to fill it in with the background color of white, and I'm just going to reach up here and grab my text layer and get rid of it. There we go. Command D to deselect it and hit play. And there you go, the word fire with a little fire animation behind it. And of course you can beef this up a little bit or do whatever you want to, so play around with it, have fun, and enjoy.